Before watching our video, please subscribe to Vern's channel and hit the notification bell. Please click the like button and share it. Subtitles are available when clicking CC button. Hello everyone. This model has naturally curly hair. I will use her curls to change her hairstyle. There is more hair volume in back area. First, adjust hair volume by slanting texturizing. And then cut the length by texturizing to cut. Simply repeated cutting can create natural effects at the hair ends. Do the same way for the second layer. Cut the length by texturizing to cut. For the third layer, I also finish cutting the length by texturizing to cut. The hair length of each layer is set a bit longer than the previous layer, because of shrinkage for naturally curly hair. For the fringe, do slanting texturize first. And then do texturizing to cut. Adjust hair volume at hair roots in the middle of the hair by slanting texturizing. Texturize at hair roots to support and pump up the hair. Texturize at the middle of the hair, to reduce redundant hair volume, and create dimensional and wispy effects. Apply the angle of inclination of holding scissors. Makes this hairstyle more natural. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of latest videos. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.